Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your ALCATEL 1 2022. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app. Enter Firefox and hit the search button. Select this app, install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, begin customizing it. You can pick the light or dark theme or set it automatic. You can also pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top. Change always on privacy settings from standard to strict or from strict to standard. Sign up in order to sync other devices that are using the same browser, and read this privacy notice. After all that, click on Start Browsing, and here your browser should work properly. We can open any website. As you can see, it loads normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.